So the Maverick is yet to congratulate the winners of this season English Premier League. So let me just say Manchester City. Yes. Manchester City. And well done. Well done to my Liverpool. We're disappointed, yes, but we cannot be ashamed of a 97-point season and a place in the Champions League final. And speaking of which, people singing the praises of Pep Guardiola and Manchester City for coming to England and dominating the most competitive league in the world. 100 points and then 98 points in the last 2 seasons. But can't reach the Champions League semi-final. Getting him teeth kicked out by the same English teams that Man City dominate and decimate in the EPL. It's not like it's Barcelona or Real Madrid or PSG knocked them out. It's the same Liverpool and no Tottenham Hotspurs. My conclusion is that is only EPL Pep have strength for. They might jump up about treble, FA Cup and Fool Carabao Cup. He needs to have some ambition. You're a big coach with a big team. Try and win the Champions League. Him go Bayern Munich and dominate the German League. No Champions League. Him come to England with Man City. Dominate the EPL. Still no Champions League. Not even a semi-final. Guardiola has only won the Champions League with the Messi, Xavi, Iniesta, Barcelona dream team. I don't think Pep Guardiola is overrated in Champions League football. You know what I mean? The man is an EPL bully. I'm going to tell you, man.